Sixth grade social studies, South Asia test. This recording can be stopped. You can go back. You can move forward. Listen to the questions as many times as you need to be able to answer it well. Good luck, guys. Number 1, based on the information in the excerpts, how is religion viewed by citizens in Bhutanese society? A. Citizens have the right to practice any religion, but have a duty to follow the state religion. B. Citizens have no right to choose their religion and have a duty to follow the state religion. C. Citizens have the right to practice any religion and have a duty to respect the religion of others. Citizens have the right to learn about other religions, but a duty to follow the religion of the local community. Number 2, which characteristic of South Asian cultures best explains the political divisions of the region after the countries gained independence during the 20th century? F. Climate variations. G. Language differences. H. Religious differences. J. Differences in economic activities. Number 3, which government of South Asia is most similar to the U.S. government? A. Bhutan. B. India. C. Nepal. D. Pakistan. Number 4, how did the events shown in the map most affect the region? F. The pattern of ocean currents was altered. G. A new volcanic island formed near Sumatra. H. Nations near the epicenter had severe earthquake damage. J. Coastlines along the Indian Ocean experienced a severe tsunami. Number 5, which number in the map indicates the nation of Pakistan? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Number 6, which number on the map indicates the location of India? F. 1, G. 2, H. 3, J. 4. Number 7, why is Rangoli considered a traditional Indian art form? B. All Indian homes have a Rangoli. B. People have created Rangoli for thousands of years. C. People can buy Rangoli in stores anywhere in India. D. Indian law recognized Rangoli as the unique art of India. Number 8, how does Rangoli reflect the culture of people in India? F. It is used as lighting for the home. G. It represents knowledge and beauty. H. It is a decoration in many Indian homes. J. It is used to celebrate Indian religious traditions. Number 9, which geographic factor has most influenced the location of wheat production in India? A. Year-round growing season. B. Introduction of artificial fertilizers. C. Rich soil of the Himalayan mountains. D. Nearness to the source of fresh water. Number 10, the above event was most likely the result of which physical environmental process? F. Earthquake. G. Erosion. H. Monsoons. J. Typhoon. Number 11. Which cultural institution has historically guided the moral and social life for most people in India? A. Islam. B. Jainism. C. Sikhism. D. Hinduism. Number 12. This traditional style of fishing is an example of how humans F. modify the environment, G. adapt to the environment, H. organize to accomplish large-scale tasks, or J. replace traditional methods with faster technology. Number 13. How has the political environment of Pakistan differed from that of India since independence from Britain in 1947? A. Pakistan is ruled primarily by religious leaders, while Indian leaders are elected. B. The Pakistani government...
Collie, come to the front.
Let's start over on 13. How has the political development of Pakistan differed from that of India since independence from Britain in 1947? A. Pakistan is ruled primarily by religious leaders, while Indian leaders are elected. B. The Pakistani government adopted a system of communism, while India did not. C. The Pakistani government has experienced instability and frequent military takeovers. D. Pakistan is ruled by a council of tribal elders that help maintain unity within the country. Number 14. Which physical feature has often served as a barrier for trade and travel in South Asia? F. The Himalayas. G. The Ganges. H. The Indian Ocean. J. The Deccan Plateau. Number 15. How have the monsoon seasons most affected the economic development of Bangladesh? A. The dry cold winds limit winter crop production. B. The dry summer winds cause drought and famine. C. The summer rain provides fertile lands for growing corn. D. Destructive floods from the rains makes farming difficult. Number 16. How do monsoons most benefit India? F. The winds provide ideal conditions for overseas trade. G. The rains provide fresh water for drinking and irrigation. H. The rains provide permanent snows in the Himalaya mountains. J. The winds supply power for windmills that provide much of the energy for individual homes. Number 17. India's significantly large labor pool helps to contribute to an economy that is characterized by A. Agricultural production, B. Low unemployment rates, C. Large-scale industrialization, or D. Service-oriented businesses. Number 18. Which film production industry in India creates movies that often reflect Indian traditions and Hindu themes? F. English. G. Bollywood. H. Parallel cinema. Or J. Cinema of Assam. That's the last one. I hope you guys did great. Remember, you can go back and listen again if you need to.